But I've still got one very important Czech thing left to do. So we're headed to the nearby town of Ellinger. All right, check checklist. Dress like 'em? Check. Barbecue like 'em? Check. Drink mead like 'em? Check. But there's still one very important check mark left. And that's exactly why we're headed to Hruska's. Yep, it's a gas station, but in truth, it's so much more. Okay, so here's a little Czech pronunciation for you. Evidently, the H on the front is silent, and this little boomerang thing over the S makes a sh sound. Hruska's, Hruska's. So where should I go get the kolaches? Oh, over there. Thank you. Since 1912, Hruska's has been serving Ellinger, and 100 years later, it's still around to stuff customers' bellies with the classic Czechy goodness known as the kolache. Oh, check these out. Again, pardon the pun. This is Kolache Baker Mary. What's the V stand for?
Vrajel.
Vrajel, Mary Vrajel.
Yeah.
So you must be Czech.
Yes, sir, I am.
But you make kolaches every day.
Yes, sir.
Well, man, they look delicious. So tell me a little bit about a kolache. Is it sweet? Is it salty? Is it both? What is a kolache?
It's sweet.
So while often confused, the meat sausage type are technically klobasnikis. But as long as you're buying them and eating them, Hruska's won't be correcting you. Did you grow up eating kolaches? Is this like comfort food for you, sort of?
It was always around, but it wasn't like this. You know, we didn't make that many different kinds. It was just prune, cottage cheese, something simple.
And a lot of old timers, that's the ones they want, huh?
And poppy seed.
Of course, Hruska still has the classics, but the modern times have brought much change to kolache fillings. How many flavors of kolaches do you know?
We make about 16 different fruit flavors.
Okay.
And the meat kind, let's see, about 12.
Okay, I'm gonna try one. What should I get?
Oh, cream cheese cherry.
That one sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Maybe I should just get a dozen.
Maybe so.
All right.
Take a couple of dozen.
Yeah. Check my pulse, because I think I've died and gone to Czech heaven. Yeah, but before I make a meal on nothing but bread and gooey fillings, better throw some protein in there, as this spot is quite famous for a purely Texan classic, the cheeseburger.
Ellinger at Hruska's is the best burger you'll ever eat.
Well, so what makes it so amazing?
They use iceberg lettuce.
Oh,
None of this fancy schmancy stuff. Iceberg lettuce and freshly sliced tomatoes. And the patties are not pre-formed. They actually form the patties. So,
I mean, you're making my mouth water
well,
right now.
go get you a burger. They're going to close the grill soon.
Uh-oh, better get. You know Daytripper's got to eat. The Hruska's two-course meal. Cheeseburger in one bag, kolaches in the other. I know I'm supposed to start on this bag first, but after all that kolache talk, this is where I'm going, right here. When she said it was the classic, I had to get it. The prune kolache. I mean, the dough is soft and buttery. And the prunes, well, I feel more regular already. All right, actually, it's quite delicious. I'm officially ruining my dinner. Sorry, Mom. Time to get to the main course. Look at this. Everything a cheeseburger should be. Delicious, moist beef, toasted bun, lettuce, pickles, tomatoes. I mean, it's classic burger. I don't know if this is Czech, but it's dang delicious. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.